Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious burritos to freeze, an easy guide for meal prep. First, gather your favorite ingredients such as seasoned ground beef, black beans, and cooked rice. Ensure all components are fully cooked and cooled to room temperature before you begin assembly. This crucial step prevents moisture buildup and ensures your burritos freeze perfectly, ready for a quick meal anytime. Now let's assemble. Take a large flour tortilla, ideally 10 to 12 inches in diameter for a substantial burrito. Spoon about 1/2 cup of your cooled filling mixture onto the lower center of the tortilla. Next, fold in the left and right sides of the tortilla over the filling. Then, starting from the bottom, roll the tortilla up tightly and evenly to create a compact burrito. Proper wrapping is key for long-term storage. Individually wrap each assembled burrito tightly in plastic wrap, ensuring no air pockets remain. This step is vital to prevent freezer burn and maintain freshness for up to 3 months. Once wrapped, place your burritos into a large freezer-safe bag or an airtight container. Don't forget to label it with the contents and the date for easy tracking. Reheating your frozen burritos is simple and quick. For a fast option, remove the plastic wrap and microwave a single frozen burrito for 2 to 3 minutes, flipping halfway. If you prefer baking, place unwrapped burritos on a baking sheet and heat at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. Always ensure the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safe consumption.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.